How to create a pricing table in WordPress. So it pretty much depends on your own creativity actually, since a pricing table can depend on what kind of store you're going for and what kind of plans you have. So in your elements, you can just go ahead and put yourself to the media, of course. Here in the block section, you can make use of the images and media and text over here. And once you have placed in, you can put in the information for the plans you have. For example, if you have a free plan, you can put in details for that, what you can get, and you can put it side by side so that they can use it as comparisons. Then the pricing, of course, should be seen, obviously, and a button for them to choose from. So if they want to choose the Pro Plus plan for the cat pricing plans, they can press on that one. Why does that say free? Pro plan. So again, pretty much depends on you. So if you want templates though, it does exist. You can go over here to the patterns and search for pricing tables over here. Search for pricing tables and you should be able to see templates that already should exist. So you can use that as well. But that is some ways you can add or create pricing plans in your WordPress. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.